How to block someone on WeChat. Hey everyone, if you're trying to block someone on your WeChat, first thing you do is open up your WeChat application. Just make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you can tap on the contacts option at the bottom of your screen to access all of your current contacts on your device. Now from here, select any contact that you want to block. Just tap on their name and their contact info will open up. At the top right, you'll find the three dots. You can just tap on it to bring out more menu section. And on this section, you have edit contact, your privacy options, share contact, star the contact as your favorite, and then finally you have block and report. You could just click on this block option to turn it on or toggle it on. And you could also report the profile if you want to. And once you've done that, you've successfully blocked someone on WeChat. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.